This is the Clicks Communicator, and it's boldly going where no phone's gone before. Kinda. This is All Things Mobile. Let's talk about it. One of the surprise announcements here at CES here in Las Vegas is the Clicks Communicator. Now, if you're thinking, hey, this looks a little bit like a BlackBerry, well, it kind of is. In fact, one of the designers on it was from BlackBerry, but this phone is meant to be a companion phone to your regular phone. So if you have things like WhatsApp on it, if you have other messaging apps you're trying to respond to, you now have a wonderfully designed keyboard that you can just click away, hence the name of the company, and type on. But this phone's actually an Android phone. It runs Android 16. It's made of polycarbonate, but has a nice weight in my hand. This is just a mock-up unit right here. What's really neat about it is the back. We have all these different polycarbonate backs that you could have on here in different colors. In fact, this green version here has one in leather. Kind of feels really nice. So let's talk about the keyboard here. This is where it all happens. This has the same ergonomic design that you'd find on the regular Clicks keyboard case, but the keys are a little bit bigger. In fact, for people with big hands like me, that's going to be welcome. The screen here is roughly 4 inches, so think iPhone 5 days. How wild is that? And on the side here, we have a few different buttons. We have volume rocker. You have what looks like a silent mode button on the back. You have a USB-C port on the bottom. These little slots below the keyboard, one is a microphone and one's a speaker. And this little hole at the top here, it is indeed a headphone jack. Clicks has brought it back. Many people are happy. Can't wait to pull out my old wired headphones and plug it in. On this other side here is another button, and the button's surrounded by a light. If you're an Android fan, you probably recognize the notification light on certain phones. This takes it to the extreme. It goes around the entire button. You could program this light to be different colors, one for your girlfriend, one for your family, one for work. That probably would be a red one for me. So let's talk about this as a secondary phone for just one moment here. This phone does not physically connect to your phone. It's actually a phone that has 5G and connects to cell networks on its own. But what's neat about this is, just like you might have an Apple Watch for your iPhone, or you might have an Aura Ring for an Android phone, this is just a device that is another way of bringing your data together. So if you're running WhatsApp on here, if you're running Telegram on here, you're able to respond to that with a full keyboard. You could run any Android app on this phone. The special sauce of the phone is running the Niagara launcher, a custom version that they're working on with that company for the phone. And this will allow you to triage your apps and triage your notifications in a very happy way. But if you're unhappy with that, I'm told you might be able to add your very own launcher to it. Speaking of launches, this phone doesn't have a launch date yet. They're hoping later this year, but you can go ahead and pre-order the phone with either doing a reservation for $199, or you could pay $399 and actually get the phone and not one, but 2 different colored backs with it. The full price will be $499. That's not bad at all, especially for a phone like this. I'm very excited to test this phone, but this is the Clicks Communicator. It'll be out later this year. It'll cost you $499, but if you go ahead now, you can get a price of $399 and get not 1, but 2 different backs that could be attached to it. Or you can drop a deposit of $199. This is All Things Mobile. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more All Things Mobile, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.